fish in this first wee lock-in. It's about 1.5 acres long. See a few fish rising, fishing with the balloon caddis there, and then after about maybe 5 minutes, nothing much was happening. Then I see a rise to the left of me, so I immediately flick the line off there, cast to it, and you'll see what happens. And we're in. There we go. That was a good take. There we go. Good bit of casting right there, Ross White. And thank you. Oof. Oh, flies it. Good. Flies it. Oh well, he's off. I was going to show him the camera, but he buggered off.